blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the Ritz. Different types who wear a day coat, pants with stripes and cutaway coat, perfect fits. Putting on the Ritz. Dress up like $1 million trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Come, let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks or umbrellas in their midst. Putting on the Ritz. Have you seen the well-to-do up and down Park Avenue on that famous thoroughfare with their noses in the air? High hats and arrow collars, white spats and lots of dollars, spending every dime for a wonderful time. If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the Ritz. Different types who wear a day coat, pants with stripes and cutaway coat, perfect fits. Putting on the Ritz. Dress up like $1 million trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. Come, let's mix where Rockefellers walk with sticks or umbrellas in their midst. Putting on the Ritz. Up like $1 million trooper, trying hard to look like Gary Cooper. If you're blue and you don't know where to go to, why don't you go where fashion sits? Putting on the Ritz. Putting on the Ritz. Putting on the Ritz. Putting on the Ritz. The Ritz. Dining once, but not till now. The time is right for us, and now we can move. Move to the rhythm we can. Move. Dance to the rhythm. Nice and easy. Putting it on the R-I-T-Z. How about you and me, says
Good Night LA is really cool.
Commandos, scatter hammer. You broke that poor girl's heart.
You're a douche, you're a douche, you're a big fizzy douche.
You should have told the truth right from the start.
But my intentions were good, I was no slave to my wood. I wanted her to love me for me.
He does have lots of riches, which attracts a lot of bitches.
Thank you, Alan, but you'll never be on Glee.
Oh, crap.
If I may throw in my 2 cents, your love was based on a pretense.
Your relationship with mother is to blame.
You didn't suckle on her boobies, just a fed up cake with doobies.
Which explains why you used a made-up name.
Cue the refrain.
You're a douche, you're a douche, you're a big fizzy douche. Everything you said was a lie. You're a douche, you're a douche, you're a big fizzy douche.
But you're still a really, really handsome guy.
Thank you. Then what am I to do so I don't always live with you?
Wow, that hurts my feelings.